was going around to say this is the budgies. Well, actually, we've put a magnet here so they won't squish out. Coconut has been very mean to his new visitors, but they'll get along.
He wants everything
This-
for himself.
You see the yellow guys, the yellow bird and the blue bird are friends. They live in this house. The white one is
Kendall.
and Biscuit will sleep
Here.
in this
Because,
house we've made, actually.
yeah, we made it.
Oh, there's Cookie.
Finally, they're not beating up biscuits. They're all fine.
Move, coconuts. This is
Bubsy, you know Kendall doesn't like that.
Kendall. I don't know.
Kendall. No, please don't show my face.
Okay, I know.
Look at my face. So my face.
Look at everyone. Look at his. You see that green on his back? That's his color. And he has on his stomach. Look at his stomach.
Stomach.
He has green. And you have Cookie is a bodybuilder. Don't hit their home, bruh. بديش حركات تعول الصغار.
Wait.
Don't sleep. Wake up.
Wait. Why did they do these?
I don't know who did it.
What?
Sexy mom. No, someone did it even here.
So that's it for this video. I'm playing Minecraft. And
They're not
yeah,
doing
I'll see you guys next time.